Mga kanos, welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael, Brian Diesto, and for today's episode 45, mga must-try and bestsellers for foods and drinks by Patootea Milktea Iloilo and Paus Sushimai. Patootea Milktea Iloilo, indulge the tasty milk tea with rich, chewy bubble. Experience the flavor now. They offer free delivery, applies on pre-minimum of orders. Paus Sushimai, well known and popular for its bilao sushi and also for its pancit gisado. They're both located at North San Jose, Molo, Iloilo City. For their fullest of menus and delivery details, I'll be providing description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Patootea Milktea Iloilo and Paus Sushimai. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. At ito na mga nose, yung shoutout portion natin. Mag-shoutout po ako ng 5 tao nagtulong at nag-support sa aking Drinking Nose sa Facebook, Instagram, and also sa YouTube channel ko. Yung first natin i-shoutout, si Rexel John G. Rabakal. Hi po kay Rexel. Thank you sa pag-support and always sa pag-comment sa lahat po ng social media platforms ko. Thank you talaga sa iyo. Ito yung next natin i-shoutout. Ito famous to na streamer, especially sa Mobile Legends and also a vlogger. Shout kay Madam Wendy Sander Neri. Hello po kay Madam. Thank you so much Madam sa pag-support sa akin sa Drinking Nose. Tinulungan mo ako kung umangat yung subscribers ko at yung tips kung paano ko ma-increase sa views. So thank you so much and hopefully makalibre ako skin or load sa iyo sa next mo na stream. Next natin i-shoutout ay si AJ Yuki. Hello po kay AJ. Thank you. Ito avid talaga supporter at parating nagko-comment sa mga post ko sa Facebook page or sa akin main account sa Facebook. So next natin i-shoutout ay si Shekyon. Ito matagal ko ng kaibigan sa Bigo app. So thank you so much sa pagnonood ng mga episodes ko, sa pag-comment, sa pag-like, lahat po at sa pag-promote sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. Last but not the least, yung boss at loading ng lahat, si Sir Melvin Garganta. Shoutout sa iyo, Sir Melvin. So thank you so much sa iyo, Sir Melvin, sa pag-invite sa akin sa GC mo, sa lahat po ng paangat program mo, and also sa mga tips and also advices kung paano ko mag-grow yung channel ko and also sa pag-improve sa sarili ko as an influencer or a vlogger po. So, big thank you talaga sa lahat po sa inyo. So, God bless po and keep safe mo ba. Hi there mga nose! Save your drinks by Patootea Milktea Iloilo and also for Paus Sushimai for their foods and drinks. So, dalawang local brands i-feature natin for this vlog episode. This will be an ultimate taste test review. And before anything else mga nose, please do like this video and share it to one of your friends. And comment down below kung anong mga drinks and foods na gusto nyo try for Patootea Milktea Iloilo and Paus Sushimai. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, para updated kayo at ma-notify sa mga latest episodes ko. Just click notification bell icon. And please lang mga nose, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po, huwag niyo po i-skip. Malaking tulong na po yon sa aking channel. I'm very excited mga nose kasi napakadami ng foods natin na yon. So don't worry mga nose, yung hindi ko naubos for my taste test vlog, pwede ko i-share sa family ko. And lahat po ng drinks dito and for their foods, these are all new release and also bestsellers in each of their categories for 2 local brands here in Iloilo City. Yung first natin i-taste test is milk tea products by Patootea Milktea Iloilo. So if you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drinks po. For first drink, under milk tea series, these are Taro Milktea for medium size, 65 pesos. Ito na sa tama yung proportion for its sugar level, not too sweet, and also for its taro essence or yung thickness, on point siya at well balanced for this product. For our next drink, under milk tea series, these are Okinawa Milktea for medium size, 65 pesos. Ito nalasando talaga yung tea essence for Okinawa, which has an excellent taste. Also, yung pearls, very soft, very easy to eat. Tapos yung sugar level nila, right on point at perfectly balanced siya for this drink. For our next drink, under milk tea series, these are Matcha Milktea for medium size, 65 pesos. very present yung matcha thickness and for its flavor. And when it comes to sweetness or sugar level, na-maintain nila yung consistency for its well-proportioned and well-balanced for their overall ingredients. And their newest drink is their dragon fruit drink for 120 pesos. And by the way mga nos, yung drink nila for dragon fruit, ito very seasonal siya. Ito it has a real dragon fruit extract or fruits for this product. Very healthy drink. For next drink, under Galaxy Yakult series, this is your Galaxy Yakult for 95 pesos. So yung unang gagawin ko is take muna siya bago ko siya i-mix. Cute ng color niya mga nos. Ito kapag na-state na siyang inumin mga nos, ito ma-differentiate mo talaga yung Yakult essence and for its tea essence for glutamate. So hindi siya nag-overpower sa sweet, pero well-balanced naman siya. So i-mix ko na po siya mga nos. Ito yung unang nalasahan ko is yung combination ng lychee and for its Yakult essence. Nasa tamang proportion for its flavor, hindi sila nagsapawan. Tapos, well-matched sila for this product. Next drink, under Signature Milktea series, this is Royal Highness Milktea for 95 pesos. Same din gagawin ko, is take ko muna siya bago ko siya i-mix. Cute ng color niya, very attractive siya at very appealing. By the way mga nos, yung ingredients for Royal Highness Milktea, it contains signature green tea, wintermelon, sweet cream, and butterfly pea. Pag na-state na siyang inumin, yung unang malasahan nyo is yung sweetness for its cream and wintermelon essence. Very creamy siya. Mix ko na po siya. So, ang galing mga nos kasi hindi ko ma-imagine yung signature nila for its green tea and yung butterfly pea tea, nag-well complement siya for wintermelon essence. That's a lighter feel and texture and for overall flavor for this product. For next drink under Signature Milktea series, this is their Sweet Blush Milktea for 95 pesos. Yung Sweet Blush nila, it contains asam black tea, signature cream blush, and sweetened milk. Very similar sila for its sweetness and flavor for ice scrambled. Nandun yung sweetness, nandun yung creaminess. For next drink under Signature series, their Deep Roast Milktea for 95 pesos. I-straight ko muna siyang inumin mga nos bago siya i-mix. So ito yung Deep Roast nila. It contains signature green tea, Japanese matcha, and strawberry and cream. Malasahan mo talaga yung Japanese matcha and also for its strawberry. I-mix mo na siya mga nos. Ito so far sa lahat po ng taste test ko, for matcha and strawberry milk tea flavor, ito nag-stood out talaga. Hindi nag-overpower yung sweetness for its strawberry, pero ito ma-appreciate mo talaga yung Japanese matcha for this drink. So natapos ko na po yung taste test for their drinks for Patootea Milktea Iloilo. So yung next natin is Sushimai. Nahin mo natin yung drinks nila. This is their Detox drinks. For next product, under Detox Vibe drinks, is their cucumber, apple, carrots, and pineapple detox drink. Perfect na perfect siya for people who are choosing for healthy options or healthy drinks. Ito, napaka-pure na ingredients sila, especially for cucumber, apple, carrots, and pineapple. Natural and fresh flavors for this drink. Next product, under Detox Vibe drinks, is their cucumber, calamansi honey drink. Ito ang galing mga nos kasi napakasarap at napakaswabe siya sa lalamunan kasi nandun yung pureness for its cucumber, calamansi, and for honey. Perfectly matched yung tatlong flavors niya in one drink. Next product, under Detox Vibe drinks, is your cucumber, carrots, apple, lemon, and pineapple drink. Then kahit sobrang dami ng ingredients niya in one bottle, ito appreciate mo lalo yung healthy drink for this product. So proceed na tayo mga nos for foods. For Paus Sushimai, there's sushi bilao for 45 pieces for 550 pesos. Po yung sushi bilao nila. Yan. May kasama na siyang wasabi, soy sauce, and for their special sauce. Take note na mga nos, itong wasabi, very spicy to. Very careful lang po kayo, especially for kids. Hindi siya applicable kasi sobrang tapang nito at sobrang spicy. Yung sushi nila, siksik ka na for its ingredients. So sulit na sulit ka na kasi napakalaki ng sushi nila. Nagustuhan ko dito, kahit na dip niya siya for soy sauce and for their special sauce, mas lalo siyang sumarap yung sushi. Next food, under Paus Sushimai, dessert curry pancit bihon gisado for 250 pesos. Po yung curry pancit bihon gisado nila. Yan, ang dami niyang ingredients. First time ko matry, especially for curry pancit bihon gisado. Para pala ng combination niya, yung essence for curry and also for its spices. Pero yung spicy level niya, nasa moderate lang, hindi siya super strong. Pero ito, ma-appreciate mo lalo for its veggies, for its meats, for its egg, and overall ingredients. At also very soft at very easy to eat yung pancit bihon gisado nila. For next food, under Paus Sushimai, dessert pancit with bacon wrap for 599 pesos. Ito po yung pancit nila. Yan, dami. Ano siyang kasamang chili sauce, mga anos. Ito mga anos, ang sarap din. Kaya pala bestseller to kasi siksik ka na for ingredients. Kaya pala bestseller to kasi perfect na perfect siya sa mga birthdays, sa mga fiestas, and special occasions. Okay, for rating mga anos, for Patootea Milktea Iloilo, for all of their drinks, I'll give it a perfect 10. And for Paus Sushimai Detox drinks, I'll give this a perfect 10. And for their foods, by Paus Sushimai, I'll give it a perfect 10. When it comes to on-the-go products, I would suggest yung Matcha Milktea, Okinawa Milktea, and Taro Milktea. And if you're looking for something healthy, for Patootea Milktea Iloilo, I would suggest yung dragon fruit drink nila and also for Galaxy Lychee. And if you're looking for something unique and premium flavors, I would suggest Deep Rose, si Sweet Blush, and for their Royal Highness. And yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for healthy options for Paus Sushimai, I would suggest yung drinks nila for mixed fruits. So sa mga sushi lovers, I would suggest yung sushi bilao nila. And sa mahilig sa curry, I would suggest si curry pancit bihon gisado nila. Sa mga big gatherings and special occasions, I would suggest si pancit with bacon wrap nila. So when it comes sa quality, sa freshness, and also for their pure and natural flavors, nag-stood out talaga yung mga ingredients for their milk tea, for their detox drinks, their excellent and eye-appealing foods for Paus Sushimai, and also for Patootea Milktea Iloilo. Thank you talaga for entrusting Drinking Nose to feature your products and foods for your vlog episode. Thanks sa lahat po ng efforts niyo when it comes sa preparation, for service, and also for their delivery. So Patootea Milktea Iloilo and Paus Sushimai has good quality of products, excellent service, budget-friendly, very accommodating baristas and owners na certified Drinking Nose standards approved. So once again, thank you and congratulations for Patootea Milktea Iloilo and Paus Sushimai. Keep safe mga nose! Bye!